equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a replacement motor. First, unplug the vacuum. Remove the screws from the base using your screwdriver. Keep them safe for reassembly. Next, carefully detach the motor cover. This is where you'll find the motor. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside. A clean interior ensures better performance. Now, inspect the motor for any visible damage. If it looks worn, it's time for a replacement. Remove the old motor by unscrewing it from its mount. Install the new motor, ensuring it fits snugly. Remember, professional diagnosis without obligation is available if you're unsure. Reattach the motor cover and secure it with screws. Before you finish, check all connections are tight. Finally, plug in the vacuum and test it. If you need assistance, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Always get a quote before repair to avoid surprises. Your Dyson SV17 is now ready to go. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.